Ashen, ano masabi mo sa weapon ko?
Laki? Sugoy dick.
Hala, mas tangkad din yung weapon ko sa'yo. Oh my gosh.
Ayaw ka na siya. Kasi, yan, final form. So, hero. Sana makasurvive. Bigat niya, to be honest. Pero worth it naman yung costume.
Worth it.
Worth it. Diba? Ganda ng pala. Gusto yung photoshoot. Kaya naman. Nakakapagod pero try natin pumunta ng event. Siguro baka hanggang, hindi naman super gabi. Siguro hanggang 6, mga ganun.
Okay.
Basta for dinner. Kasi papagalit na din ako ng mama. Sa galaan na naman ako, kakauwi ko lang na Pilipinas. Sure. So, ayun. Punta tayo ng event, which is free, Tanabata 2025. Which is sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay siya. So, after photoshoot, diretso agad tayo doon. So, tomorrow, ng day 2, di ko pa sure kung pupunta tayo. Pero, yun.
Nag-wrap up na kami kasi tapos na yung photoshoot. Ayan si Kuya Ram. Yan yung photog. Hello, Kuya Ram.
Hello there.
Yan. Pag gusto niyo magpa-photoshoot sa convention, yan, si Kuya Ram. Tapos yun yung bebe niya. Sana all.
Bebe
Ayun,
niya.
no? Sana all. Assistant. Assistant and bebe. Yeah! Ayan, so, papunta na kami ng event. Nasa Grab na po kami. Yan, iya. Si Ashen nasa harap. Si Ashen. Nasa harap. Ay, may kurumi sa likod. Ang cute.
A few moments later.
Ayan, so, nasa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay na kami. Pero kakain lang muna kami kasi gutom na ako. Ayan, medyo haggard lang ako. Mamaya na ako mag-retouch.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Ayan, so we are here right now in Prita Nevada 2025 and today is day 1, right? Tama ba ako, day 1?
Yes.
Ayun, so may interviewin tayo, isa sa mga otaku or con-goer na uma-attend sa event. So, what's your name, kuya?
My name is Gino.
Genie. Oh, hindi. Wag na yung age. Wag tayo mag-age reveal, di ba? Tama? Ganito na lang. High school, college, or hindi nag-aaral?
College graduate.
Oh! Nice! Buti naman kasi mahirap na hindi graduate ng college here, eh, di ba? For my question is, if you could live in any anime universe, which one would it be and why? Kung may anime universe, saan mo gusto mapunta?
Sa anime,
Oo.
Detective Conan. Because cases are everywhere. Gusto kong malutas lahat, one by one, lahat ng mga kaso.
Wow! Taray! Parang ano ba yan? Parang gusto mong, dito, maging help na ma-better yung world. Kaya gusto mo ng ganun. Okay, not bad actually. Maganda. Actually, hindi ko alam yung anime, pero I kinda know it. Hindi na kasi ako nanonood masyado ng anime. Pero okay.
Favorite kasi siya since high school.
Then, next question is, sub or dub?
Sub.
sub. No, mas nakaka-feel, no, pag totoo yung ano. I mean, yung voice actor talaga ng Japanese yung maririnig mo, tapos may ano na lang.
May subtitle.
Oo.
Mas ramdam yung originality.
So, the next is my final question. What's an anime that everyone loves but you just couldn't get into? Parang, ano, sikat na anime pero hindi mo siya feel na sikat right now.
Actually, marami.
Oh my gosh! Marami siyang pet peeve. Char. Ibigay ka lang kahit isa na sa tingin mo, hindi mo masyado trip.
Mahaba kasi yung title eh. Kasi mo on isekai na kasi siya eh.
Ah, isekai! Okay.
ang
Ano ba siya? Ano ba yun? Yung guy na solo leveling. Di ba yun? Parang hindi.
Iba pa yun eh. Marami
Ay,
siyang...
be, buti na lang hindi solo leveling pero baka magkaroon ka ng hater.
Marami kasi siyang level ng isekai. Iba-iba eh. Depende sa story.
Ah, okay.
Ang pinakaayo ko lang na... Tama ba? Pinaka-pet peeve ko is smartphone.
Oh! Bakit? Gusto ko malaman. Chismisan mo ako bakit di mo trip.
Hindi ko trip kasi... Wala na, hindi ko talaga trip.
Oo nga naman, pag di niya trip, pag natin pilitin. Pag natin pilitin. Last question ko pala. In this convention, di ba maraming cosplayers? Ano yung pinaka sa tingin mo or sana may mag-cosplay ng character na yun?
What do you mean?
Yung ano, kunyari, sana may mag-cosplay ng sa Shingeki no Kyojin, si Eren, gano'n. Yung hope mo, sana may mag-cosplay na cosplayer. What character?
Si Demon Slayer.
Ah, sino doon?
Yume.
Ay,
Imejima.
oo, true.
Actually kasi pinagko-cosplay nila ako. Kaya
Ah,
hindi ko na
okay.
matuloy-tuloy. May costume set na ako. Kaya hindi ko pa siya ma-repair.
Go mo yan, fight mo yan. Cosplay is for everyone.
Kasi
Kaya may mga hater dyan sa tabi-tabi. Actually.
binili ko lang kasi siya online.
Oh, okay lang yun. Di naman kailangan gawa mo yung cosplay mo as long as you're cosplaying for your own and you're having fun.
Actually, matagal na kasi akong hindi nakapag-cosplay. Nakapagpahinga ako after mga 7 years.
Ah, okay.
Kaya gusto ko lang mag-cosplay ulit.
Oh, go. Fight mo. Anyway, thank you for the interview. Binigay mo sa amin yung time. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Salamat!
Ayun, our second interview right now is si Kuya. Hindi ko pa siya na-interview ng name niya eh. So, Kuya muna. So, what's your name, Kuya?
My name's Miguel. I'm cosplaying as Ellis from Left 4 Dead 2.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay.
I even have like the bile bomb, the paint pills,
Ayun nga!
first aid kit.
Hindi tayo mag-age reveal Ano ka? Of course, hindi ka na elementary, right?
Oh.
So, hindi rin high school.
Yeah.
College, graduate, post-grad, or what?
I'm actually working na.
Okay, working.
I've been working for 5 years actually. 5 years
5
I'm working.
years. So, ito, my first question to you is, what's your guilty pleasure anime?
Guilty pleasure.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think this is guilty pleasure nowadays kasi medyo mainstream, but I really love Chainsaw Man. People say it's medyo curvy, but
Furry.
I actually do enjoy the characters. I enjoy the character designs. It's very down to earth and relatable yung storyline somewhat. But it's not something that I can show sa family. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
exactly. Kasi iba na yung head na eh. Parang may pagka-etchy siya,
Yeah,
right?
it's leaning on the etchy side.
And my next question to you is, one character you'd love to cosplay but haven't yet.
Ooh, that's a tough one. That's a really tough.
Yung pinaka gusto mo talaga, or your armor, mga ganon, or
Oh.
something from the game.
I'm planning to cosplay for Cosplay Mania as the Joker from Justice League animated series.
Ah, okay.
I'm a DC Joker. I'm having my friend make the wig in advance, and I'm having
That's
another
cool.
friend do my makeup for Cosplay Mania.
At least you have friends who know how to do it, diba? Kasi right now, ang hirap kasi may mga cosplayers pa rin na saan magpapagawa ng costume, saan magpapagawa ng wig, pero you know where to go diba?
Actually, gusto ko nga i-shout out yung wig making service ng friend ko. Kaso
Oh,
lang,
sige, go!
if you guys need a wig, go look up Miraichi Wigs sa Facebook. She makes really good wigs from anime, from games. So, shout out sa friend ko.
So, this is my last question. I think this question is good for you.
Ano?
You can only take 3 anime characters to fight alongside you in a zombie apocalypse, who are they?
Oh.
Magkaroon ng zombie apocalypse.
Hard. I would definitely take yung character na kina-cosplay ko, si Ellis from Left 4 Dead. Very good mechanic for cars, very proficient with guns. Basically, a reliable guy sa zombie apocalypse. Another would be Dr. Stone. I'm not a big fan of like that show, but I really admire his ingenuity. He was able to make everything from scratch, from basic materials. So if people always focus on fighting, on running away from sa zombie apocalypse, but they never think about how they will survive, like what they're gonna eat, paano yung electricity, medicine. You need someone who's an expert with science and medicine.
Yeah, that's true.
As for the last,
3.
Sanji, kasi magaling siya
Magaling
magluto.
magluto.
Maharte ako sa pagkain.
Ay, ayun.
Maharte ako sa pagkain. Si Sanji, he's a good fighter, good survivalist, good sa unarmed combat, very good cook. Tapos may trio I'm locking in for Left 4 Dead.
Oh, okay. Yun pala yung 3 characters niya na gusto niyo isama kapag nagkaroon ng zombie apocalypse. So, anyway, that's all my questions for you, Kuya. So, thank you for giving us your time to my interview with...
Such a pleasure.
Yeah, it's actually my first time. So, ikaw yung
Not bad.
pangalawa.
Not bad.
Thank you, Kuya. And Kuya is also kind of, not super fun, but fun din siya ng Faith, which is I'm all right now cosplaying. So, yun lang. Thank you so much again. And I hope you enjoyed the convention, roaming around.
Thank you.
So, yun lang. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you din. Here for our third person, which is last one na interview natin. So, ngayon cosplayer na. So, what is your name?
Nigel Rodriguez.
Hindi tayo nag-age-reveal, pero high school grad, college grad, working, post-grad.
Testa.
Testa! Okay, skills! Oh, that's good actually. Right now, I'm going to interview her. Her tuloy? I mean him. Kuya Ryder. So, who are you cosplaying today?
Sabi to po, sa Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer. Oh yeah,
Yung
ghost na, namatay na, right? What inspired you this cosplay?
Nabudol lang eh.
Nabudol kayo ng friends mo?
Nabudol lang talaga. Dahil, dati pa naman, yung wala pang pandemic, gusto ko nang mag-cosplay.
Is this your first time at this con? Or hindi?
Ay,
Hindi, no?
hindi pa.
So matagal ka nang
Matagal na, before pandemic pa talaga.
In this convention na attendant mo right now, what's your favorite part of the convention so far?
Ma-meet lahat ng mga friends ko na nakita ko naman na.
Including ako, no? Mga na nagkagala, uy, ikaw pala yan! Oh my gosh, hello! Mga ganun, no? Yun talaga yung masaya sa convention, no? Meeting your friends, like catch up, ano nang ganap. Kasi, busy tayo lahat sa real life, eh, di ba? Who's your ultimate anime wife? All time. Like, may dumating. Zero? Zero? Oh my gosh! Sa Faith? Oh! Oh my gosh! Kaya pala!
Naka-grade by 100. Saka yung tatlo.
Yung tatlo.
Wala pa ako na to, hindi ko nakuha.
Hindi mo siya na-pull, sayang. That's all my questions for you and thank you for the short time na pinigay mo sa akin. Napapayag ka kasi most of the people that I asked for interview, nahihiya kasi sila. So I'm happy that, pumayag ka. So yun. Thank you so much. Cosplayer din siya, Ryder.
Rodriguez.
Yeah, Ryder Rodriguez yung name niya sa Facebook. So you can also follow him. Like, for fun na cosplay. Hindi yung, kasi may mga kilala kami na masyadong seryoso sa cosplay eh. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ayan, so after event na, nandito kami sa Starbucks. Actually, harap lang siya ng event, which is, ayan, tapos ito yung mga kasama ko yan. Si Ashen, tsaka si Fia. Ayan. Nagpapahinga lang kami ito mo. May hinintay kami. Yung magbibigay sa akin ng boots nung birthday ko. Like, birthday gift siya, pero hindi siya nakaabot kasi flight ko na yun. Papunta na pero now, nandito na ako sa Pilipinas ulit. Yeah. Tsaka nagpapahinga din kami. Sakit kasi ng likod, tsaka ng ano ko, ng paa ko. Kasi, yeah, I'm wearing the fake. Yeah, the fake. Actually, fake lang. Fake lang. Hindi lang halata. What? Hindi lang halata. Yeah. It's supposed to be like that naman eh. It's cosplay, so let the basher be basher. Kasi most of the time, kalaban lang naman ng as a cosplayer is your fellow cosplayer who are insecure of you and some normie who don't understand cosplay. So, nothing in between. Alam mo yun? Anyway, hihintay lang namin and then we're going home na later on. So, yun lang. Kinda fresh pa rin yung makeup. Yeah.
So, hindi na kami naka-video ng pauwi or on the way pauwi. Nandito na kami sa bayat. Nag-base na rin ako kasi sobrang init ng costume. Yan. Then, yung assistant ko, si Pia. Hi! Yan. Uwi na rin siya. Tomorrow, baka di na ako umattend ng date ko kasi sakit na ng likod ko dahil sa fake boobs. Ayun yung fake boobs lang yun. Flat talaga ako. Sa vlog, no? Ayan. Yan ang typical cosplay. Yan. So, ayun lang. I think I'll try to recreate another vlog. Pero, I will make sure na it's gonna be better. Kasi first time ko lang mag-vlog ng after photo shoot then going to the event. So, this time, baka next time, i-try ko naman yung talagang 100% na vlog sa convention, how it is. So, yun lang. Anyway, have a nice day and thank you for watching my video for this vlog. So, yun lang. Thank you!